All right, so I got called into work and I'm at one of the buildings that I service and I'm in the parking garage and there's nobody here. So I did drive the Porsche today to work, and so I thought that this might be a fun time for me to just set the camera down and start this thing up and just see what it sounds like in the tunnel sound that is a parking garage. Stay tuned. Okay, so my Porsche Cayenne S, I did the muffler bypass. So basically what you do is you take a small tube and you stick it into where the tips connect into the muffler, and it basically bypasses a big chunk of the big suitcase style muffler. So what I'm gonna do is set you guys down. I'm gonna start the car up and then you guys can hear what this sounds like in an echoey garage. I don't know what that sounded like on camera, but pretty beastly from the driver's seat. It's a really cheap modification. I did it with parts that I bought at O'Reilly Auto Parts. So I just bought one of those flexible tubes. I unbolted my tips and then just slid that right in there. So really kind of woke this thing up. Maybe I'll set you down and we'll go for a little drive-by.